And this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen from Ganas Diseños, a home of unique and original creations. And this is the part 4 of our fire elements, the lower part. And saying, there's nothing useless things in creative minds. And that's it. So finally, nahuman na dyan na atong lower part sa atong fire element, no? So ito na yung final look or ang kanyang finished product ng ating lower part. So again, of course, incorporated with our aiming, having our using eco-friendly materials. So that's it. So halata. So at least, gumagamit din kami ito ng molder at saka design time. So, bagay po talaga siya sa upper part na ito. So, soon, of course, ma-fall set na ito. So, again, this is the design, no? So, since fire element yung may pagka-eco-wire yung dating niya. So, ito yung design ng kaniyang lower. So, ayan sa guys, no? Para meron siyang pang tawag nito, something wavy. So, yung dating niya, so of course, pa-fire din yung design niya. So, ayan. As you can see, may mga molder tayo at saka konti lang yung ginamit natin ng mga rhinestones to emphasize, of course, to inculcate the design. So, ma-emphasize po ato ang gamit ang mga eco-friendly, yung mga recyclable materials, of course. So, I know naman kayo saan siya nga materials. So, again, so guys, no, so I'm so much excited na siya nga may wear na siya, masuot na siya po sa atong fire element. So, since sa most na ito ipakita na design kay ma-full set na niya atong fire elements, I'm so excited. So, sino kaya ang unang makakasuot? So, again, guys, sana magustuhan nyo ang aming this is the part 4, the lower part sa among fire element. So, nanatay ang headdress, nanatay upper part, and of course, ang weapon. So soon, so I'm so excited. So again guys, this is your Neville RC po. Again, your Queen from Mindanao. Kita, thank you so much. And of course, basta I'm so flattered. I'm so blessed. And so I'm so very thankful sa mga expected blessing, appreciation, and thank you so much. Di na ako maisa-isa, but again, in the bottom of my heart, thank you kayo guys. So, thank you kayo, no, kayo napabot pa dyan ang among mensahe, ang among advocacy, which is trash to class. And again, thank you for watching. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Echo Queen from Ganas Diseños, a home of unique and original creation. Thank you so much and follow for more. Bye!